Hey there, Kimmer here. I'm going to do just a quick little video on using a defined constant in an array. Let's assume that we have a float array of prices, and we're just going to say we have 4 prices. We can then do a simple for loop and ask the user for those 4 prices. So remember, to ask the user, we need a printf that says enter a price and a scanf that follows. Now we know if we run this, it's going to run exactly 4 times. Let's go ahead and print the contents of our array so we know exactly where we're at. Percent 7.2f, a couple spaces in between. Okay. Let's see if I have any errors. Go ahead and save this first. Compile it. Okay, doesn't look like any errors. Go ahead and run this. Should then ask me to enter in a price. So let's do $2.99, $4.55, $6.77, and $8.99. $2.99, $4.55, $6.77, and $8.99. So we knew it was going to run 4 times. Sometimes, however, we're not sure exactly how many times it's going to occur. So we're going to use what we call a defined constant. Or let's say we have to do some testing and we just want to test it for a couple and not have to worry about it. We're going to use #define. And because it's a constant, we're going to use all caps. You can use a number of things. Personally, when I deal with an array, I like to use size. Some people like to use max. And 4. Now this works as a find and replace. So it's basically saying find every occurrence of size and replace it with a 4. So if I do that in all the spots I have a 4, it should work the exact same way. Let's go ahead and compile and run it. Enter a price. $2.33, $4.55, $6.77, and $8.99. Works the exact same way. However, now instead of having me change the 4 a couple of times, I can change it to a 2, recompile. Now it should only ask me for 2 prices. And there you go. So just remember, using a defined constant is not a variable. It's actually more of a find and replace. It's a preprocessor directive. So when you go to process this or compile this or build, it will take whatever word you have here and replace it with what's here. Notice there's no assignment operator, just find and replace. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.